Welcome to the who, what, where, when, and why of exoplanets with me, Didier Queloz, astrophysicist and Nobel Prize winner. Exoplanet are planet, but not in our solar system. They are planets orbiting other stars. So you have to imagine that the sun is a star and they are a planet orbiting that star, not in the solar system. So there's two interesting questions here is about how do you make an exoplanet? Well, it comes for free, essentially, when you make the star. A star is made by the collapse of big clouds called molecular clouds, and they come usually not alone. There's a couple of them at the same time, and then because of the material around, there's always a bit of leftover when you do that, and you don't need a lot. I mean, 0.1% of the mass of the sun is in Jupiter, so you don't need very much. You just have a little bit, and from this little bit, you make the planet. So the planet is kind of part of the global structure of the universe. Like the stars, we have planets. So everywhere you have planet. Now, if you want to find a planet, well, the most likely location to look at is next to a star. Discovery of exoplanet is pretty recent. The topic of the idea of planet is very old, but demonstrating that there are planets on other stars is something that we did 30 years ago. Practically, we designed an instrument called a spectrograph to measure very precisely the speed of a star, and what we were looking for is a change of the speed of the star. If you have a planet orbiting a star, the speed will change because the planet will push and pull the stars, and the machine we designed and we built and we operated had the capability to detect these tiny motions. And that was not possible before. This is why we had to wait. The main reason is because he's talking about us. He's talking about us as a planet in the universe with life. How come did you get that planet the way it is? Because by looking at thousands of other planets, you can compare. You can compare what exactly is needed to make a planet like us, to make a solar system like us. And then we really want to understand how we alone, how much the other planets are similar to us, and what are the conditions that you need absolutely for having water on the planet, for example, and having oceans on the planet, having continents, and maybe having life. Sparkling. Beach. Coffee. Book.